today we are testing out a wedding makeup that, you know, I'm getting married this year, and so I'm just trying to figure out what kind of makeup I want, and this is one of the tests. So here is a pretty easy wedding makeup. If you didn't know, hello, I am Josie and I'm getting married this year and I am super excited. I started this wedding series on my YouTube channel for anyone that's getting married, maybe in the future, that, you know, wants to watch some wedding videos, maybe get some inspirations. If you guys have any ideas on what kind of wedding videos you would like to see in this series, please let me know in the comments below. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button to become a part of the GlamFam. And I also have a Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram. They are also at Beautybyjosiek, and I talk to you mostly over there on those platforms. And let's get into this tutorial. Hey guys, so firstly we are going to fill in our brows with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow, and we're just going to lightly trace out the shape of our brow, and then with light sweeping motions we are just going to fill the whole brow in. Then we're going to follow those steps on the other eyebrow and move on to our eye base, which we are using the Tarte Shape Tape for. We're going to blend that out with a beauty blender, and then we are going to set that in place with a translucent powder. Then we're going to dip into the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette, and we are going to go in with firstly warm taupe and mixing just a little bit of Buon Fresco in, and we are going to put that into our crease, blending that out as seamlessly as possible. Then we're going to go in with Antique Bronze, and we are just going to pop that into the crease as well, but we're going to keep this in the deeper portion of our crease. Then we're just going to highlight and blend out with Tempera. This is a really pretty light pinky cream color. And then we are going to take a little bit of Primavera, and we are going to pack that onto our lid. And then we're just going to blend everything out with a fluffy brush, and then we're going to go in and deepen the crease. We're going to go back into Antique Bronze for this, and we're going to keep this on the outer portion of our lids, but also keeping that V pattern on the top. Then we're just going to prime our face with this Amazing Cosmetics primer, and we are going to add our foundation. This is ColourPop's No Filter Foundation, and we are going to blend that out with a beauty blender. Once we have everything blended out and where we want the product to be, we are going to go in with our concealer. We are going to go back in with the Tarte Shape Tape. This is just a mini that I have. And we are going to conceal in our regular spots underneath our eyes, on our nose, between our brows, and then we're going to blend that out with the beauty blender as well. And then we're going to be going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Stick Foundation, and this is in Fawn. And we're just going to contour with this. I love contouring with this stick. It blends out so flawlessly, but also it still gives you that pigment that you're looking for. I really like to feather it up like you see me doing here on my cheekbones, so it's easier to blend out with just a dabbing motion instead of a heavy swiping motion. Then we're going to go in and blend everything else out as per usual. And after we are done blending out the cream contour, we are going to go into this NYX palette, and we are going to set everything but also bring the dimension up even a little bit more. So we're going to be going into the lighter portions of our face with this banana shade, and then we're going to go over the contour spots with this darker shade just to make everything look more seamless. then we are just going to take a big fluffy brush and dust off our whole entire face and just blend everything together seamlessly. And then we're going to go into this highlight, which has always been my favorite. It's always been my favorite highlight. It is the Champagne Pop by Becca, and it's just so gorgeous, and I think it's perfect for my skin tone. Then we're going to apply this mauve blush from NYX, and we're going to focus this on our cheeks and maybe dust a little bit more towards the center of our face than we normally would. And then I'm taking a mixture of the colors that we used on top of our eye to just bring that down and make the bottom more uniform. And then we're going to line. This is NYX Epic Ink Liner. It is my favorite liner, and I just really wish they made like different colors in it and more like crazy like out there colors and waterproof, because I absolutely love this liner. It is a dream to apply and it stays on all day. It's one of my favorites. You guys probably already know this because I use it in almost every single tutorial, but it's just that good. So we are going to do a pretty big wing, focusing on making the edge of the wing super, super pointed. And then once we are done with that, we are going to apply our lashes. These are Presley's from Black Label Lash. They are amazing and I love them so much. They are beautiful and super comfy. Then I'm just adding a little bit of that highlight to the inner corner, and then we're gonna go in with Jeffree Star's Celebrity Skin Liquid Lipstick. I think this is a perfect lipstick for a bridal look because it's not too dark and it's also not too light. It's just a very nice in between, and I love this liquid lipstick. Tell me what you guys think about this look. Love you! Alright Glam Fam, that is it for this tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give it a like and don't forget to subscribe down below. It's free, and if you click the little red button down there and then click the bell notification next to it, you will never miss another one of my uploads. And if you guys have any requests for this wedding series on my YouTube channel, please let me know down in the comments. I would really, really love to know what lipstick you wore on your wedding day. Please let me know in the comments below as well, and I will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys. Bye!